Up, 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 up. Okay. And yeah, welcome to Switchback Trading. So we just took a trade, and since we're still here, I'm going to run you through it. This is London session, right? Okay. Today's date, I don't know what today is, the 8th of November. Jesus, 8th of November already. Can you hear me? Okay. Yeah. So price made a high, right there. Then it made a low. And what's this green dashed line? That's previous New York close. Okay. So then I put the retracement tool on it. And then I got in there. So yeah, I know you're saying, but the EMA is way up there. Yeah, I know. And that's where I got in, because I just sat down and I saw price making a move and I jumped in. Okay. Right? And I got out at the 75. There. Or did I get in there? I don't even know, man. I think I just got in at the 50. The move was already underway? Was it? I don't know. Anyways, look. Price tags the 75 and I'm out. I took my profit there. My meat in the middle, right? Yeah, basically. And then it came back down to the 50. So if you put your stops to break even, you'd now be stopped out. Fair enough. But then it shot back up to 75 again, and then it's selling off. So yeah, you know, it was a good signal. Why was it a good signal? Look at the support ribbon here. Okay, price came down here, and then so it's really oversold here. It's broken through the support ribbon. Can you see that? You know, made a low, not a lower low. But you know, it's and that's the New York close, so it's above there. So I mean, that's a good spot for it to bounce or for it to turn around. And yeah, once it's above the 25%, you need to pay attention and don't hesitate, because this was a winner chicken dinner. Okay. Yeah, so that trade just happened now. I just wanted to commentate, because I'm not normally I don't record my live trades because I'm not set up for it. I'm recording this on my phone. I don't have unlimited memory. I don't have another recording session, you know. But I saw that trade and the recordings, I just hit record. It was already open and the chart was set up because I was going to do a review. So everything was already set up. All I had to do was hit record. The mic wasn't plugged in, plugged it in after. But anyways, yeah, you can capture a live trade in action, basically. It just happened just now. So, you know, it was a nice clean trade, you know. Yeah, okay, till the next one. Like and subscribe. Laters. This is gonna get smoked. And that got smoked. Okay.